I want you to jump up and run away. Okay? Are you ready?
Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my arms, she is standing